Hello race fans, this is Bad 300 and welcome back. Back off my Christmas break because now the kids are all out of the house and going back to school. I got a little time to start recording again, and here we go. For the next race, this is a nice little icy winter escape. Now I have played through this map already on accident. And it is a hard sucker to drive because you have little steering. And time is hard to acquire. There we go. Man, this car is not wanting to steer. I hope everybody had a good Christmas vacation, or Hanukkah if that's your choice. Haha. Ooh, I'll take you out too. We got a pretty good one here. Kids got way major spoiled on Christmas. Let's see if I can hit. Dang it. I want to hit somebody. Oh yeah, stop right there so I can hit you. I just want to be careful when going in here. Don't come on guys, don't push me into that stuff. Come on now. Dang you. Now I do know that there is a very large... There they are. Gosh dang it. Thank you, dum-dum. Oh yeah. That'll give me some nice time. Now, y'all need to let me get my row of security guards. And get back down here. Go, 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 go. We do not want to run into that. Can we go down there? Because I bet you there's people down here. Tunnel to green goo. Screw that, let's back up. If we can. Eesh. Oh, we might as well keep going down here. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Okay, this is freaking ridiculous. Oh, my car's getting pretty chewed up, but I'm getting some nice time built up. Got underwater ability. That just means you can drive better under and or in the water. mommy's right. I don't know where my missing checkpoint is. Nope, nothing else. Come on. There's the car. Come on. Oh, I wish this thing had better handling. Oh, there's a checkpoint. Let's see if that's the right or the wrong one.
Wrong checkpoint.
Wrong checkpoint. Hit it. Yes. One down. Ooh, lots of people. Swatted at. If I could drive. Let's see. Let's fix my car a little bit here. I missed him. Why are you trying to go backward? Come on, come on, come on, come on, get up here. Where'd all those people go? They scattered all on the road. Come on, stay up there, get up there, get, come on. Come on, splat. Ooh, here we go. Well, there's another one down. Let's repair. Hey, is that our missing checkpoint? I bet it is. There we go. There's our missing checkpoint. Hope everybody had a good New Year's, and of course, hopefully everybody does have a good year. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna have to hit the R button. That's pricey, dang it. Okay, let's does this lead anywhere?
Say a prayer.
Might as well gather some credits while we're here and some time bonuses. Man, I'm up to almost 10 minutes. Hopefully here soon I'll be at a low enough level so I can start earning other cars. That is how you get other cars, is you gotta be low enough level, and then you just feed them up till they die. Wham! Don't you run me into those. Mommy! Whoa. What the? Okay, sometimes the physics engine goes a little screwy, methinks. Sometimes the car just forgets how to freaking stop. Here we go. checkpoint. And I think the car needs to shift into forward gear a little faster. Did I already destroy him? Yeah, he must be dead already. Where's he? Aw. Son of a BB. That's what he's actually saying, folks. Son of a BB. Come on, let's go, let's go. What, we're gonna climb the walls? I love this game. I guess there is a site, I'll have it in the links, that is working on an updated modern version of this. That'll be sweet. Oh, how you like me now? Where you at? There you are. I'll kill it. See if we can take him out. Without wrecking. Come on, come on, come on. Let's hit him, hit him, hit him.
Goddamn brother.
Missed any checkpoints, did I see? How many? Dude, there's only one left to kill. Only one left. And he's down there spinning around right now, so let's get some laps done. Let's get some high speed driving. I think.
Yeah.
Keep hitting the wrong key. I found when you hit your wheel spin key, which in this case is Z, going around some of these curves, it does help a little bit. Oh, I missed him. Alright, race completed. Alright, guys. Well, we're going to call that an episode. And we'll see you back for the next one.